Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to get an AirTalk wireless replacement phone, lost, stolen or broken device guide. To get a replacement phone from AirTalk Wireless, you must immediately report your device status to customer support to secure your account. Depending on whether your phone was stolen, lost or broken, the exact step, warranty coverage and potential replacement fees vary. Step 1. Secure your account, lost or stolen devices. Call customer support. Contact AirTalk Wireless directly at +1 855 924 7825. Inform the representative that your phone is lost or stolen to freeze unauthorized usage. Block the device. AirTalk can block your phone's unique IMEI number, making the physical hardware completely useless on any cellular network. Step 2. Request your device replacement. Scenario A. Your phone is broken under 15-day warranty. AirTalk provides a limited 15-day warranty on their provided devices starting from your delivery date. If the device has an internal hardware defect or malfunction, request an RMA. Contact AirTalk support through the AirTalk Wireless Help Center or app to receive a return merchandise authorization RMA number. Returns without an RMA will be rejected. Next, submit proof. For cosmetic or shipping damage, you must submit photos of the phone and box within 48 hours of delivery. Keep your SIM. If your SIM card still works, pop it out before mailing back the phone. AirTalk will send a prepaid shipping label for the return. Scenario B. Your phone is lost, stolen, or broken out of warranty. If your device is lost, stolen, or broken due to physical damage, like a cracked screen or water exposure, it is not covered by warranty. You have three options. Pay a replacement fee. You can purchase a replacement device directly through your AirTalk Wireless online account portal. Log into it and navigate to My Device and order a replacement model. Bring your own device, BYOD. If you already have an unlocked compatible phone, you can transfer your AirTalk service to it. You will just need to order a new AirTalk SIM card via their website. Next, reapply for a free phone. If your annual Lifeline benefit eligibility is up for renewal, you may be eligible to select a new free smartphone by submitting a quick renewal application on the AirTalk Wireless Lifeline program platform. Step 3. Order a replacement SIM card. Request a replacement SIM card through the online portal. AirTalk will mail a new SIM card to your registered home address free of charge. Now, once the replacement SIM arrives, insert it into your new replacement phone and follow the activation prompts. You will keep your original phone number. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.